Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to codingscientist.com. We are on project number 37, lesson number 37, and we are going to build what? We are going to build a Python color game. So the color game in Python is a simple project developed, you know, using a simple GUI application like Tkinter in Python, of course. This particular project, guys, as I said, it's a GUI based, which basically displays a random color text. Okay, color text. So understand this logic, right? Color text means, for example, red color stands for red, right? And you have to identify its color. It will show as red, but you'll have to type the actual color, not the word. It's a little tricky. It's a mind game. It's a tricky game, but it's pretty interesting for you to concentrate. That this particular game actually improves your concentration and logical thinking and thinking fast. So you will have just about 30 seconds to guess as many word of color you can, and you will get the score if the guess is correct, right? The GUI app will throw the score and the color as well. So let's take a look at it, how it works. Let me just run this code, and there you go. All right, so this particular app, a plain app, you can modify this according to your choice. You can modify the line of the code and add some color and make it more intuitive and colorful, graphical as well. Type the color of the word and not the word text. Now let's begin with color. COLOUR, color. Okay, it says blue and I have 27 seconds. Blue, but it's actually yellow, right? Yellow. Now it says blue, but it's actually pink. Pink. Blue, it's actually black. Black. Brown, it's actually black. It says pink, but it's actually in yellow color, right? Yellow. Now it says blue, but it's actually orange. Oops, that's it. Score 4, time left 0. So I got a score of 4. So this is how you play this game, guys. It's pretty interesting, very simple logic, and you are importing just a Tkinter and a random app. Using these two, you are able to build this logic with your own function definition and into the loop, of course. So it's just what, about 104 lines of code. So if you need me to help you build this particular project in a more advanced level, adding some sound and more graphical with some pictures and colors running around, I can build it for you guys. Do reach me out. I will train you one on one, and I'll be happy to walk you through this code. Goodbye.